In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who viewed your LinkedIn profile. This is a quick and useful feature to know about, especially if you want to track profile activity, understand who may be interested in your background, or simply keep an eye on your visibility on LinkedIn. The process is straightforward, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few seconds. To get started, go to your profile on LinkedIn. You can do this after signing into your account by opening your profile page, where you can see your headline, experience, and other professional details. This is the main area where LinkedIn gives you an overview of how your profile is performing, so it's the right place to begin. Once you're on your profile, scroll down until you reach the Analytics section. Depending on the version of LinkedIn you're using, or whether you're on desktop or a mobile browser, this section may appear a little differently, but it's usually located somewhere below your intro area near the top portion of your profile. Take your time here and make sure you're looking at your own profile page, not someone else's, since the analytics are tied specifically to your account. In the analytics section, you'll see several performance-related options that give you insight into how people are engaging with your profile. Look for the option labeled Profile Views. This is the feature that shows you information about people who have visited your profile. Click on Profile Views to open the full details. Once you do, LinkedIn will take you to a page where you can review your profile viewer information. What you're able to see may depend on your LinkedIn account type and the privacy settings of the viewers. In some cases, LinkedIn will show full names and profile details, while in other cases, you may only see limited information such as job title, company, or that the viewer chose to remain private. That's all there is to it. By going to your profile, scrolling down to Analytics and selecting Profile Views, you can quickly check who has been visiting your LinkedIn profile. As a final tip, it's a good idea to check this section regularly if you're networking, job searching, or building your professional brand. It can help you spot trends in who's finding your profile and give you a better sense of your reach on the platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.